just got dropped off. There's our stuff. Whew, sweating like crazy already. We got everything set up. We had to come down that hill. We're gonna get out of here and get going. A nest up in there. That's actually, oh, that's a great shot. Yes, there we go. Bald eagle. It's good enough. I thought he might fly again, but he's just gonna check us out. All right, this is how I decided to fix the pedal drive. All right, it got really shallow. Yeah, that's what it is. Small little exposed rocks. Well, I'll be surprised if I have any river fins left after that. I hit that right at the top. Must have been a dam. Wonder if that washed away. It's been there for a while though. I'll have to check my phone, but I think this may be the island me and Chuck camped out on. There's a pig. I think he heard my camera. Oh. That's a boar right there, or at least a young boar. Man, it's a big fish. All right, we found us a nice sandy beach. If it rains, we should have plenty of small trees where we can kind of build us a tripod. All right, so I'll put that tarp on there in case we start to get a lot of dew. I can just flip it over there. We're underneath the board. I've got the tarp over it, and we're inside the mosquito netting. I've got a bunch of stuff on top of it. As you can hear, the storm's here, so I'm gonna go ahead and hunker down. It hit about 3 in the morning. Once I got up around 5, there was still lightning over there. Can't see it anymore. While there's no wind, we're gonna paddle. A little coyote up there. He just came down, looked at me, but there he goes. Hard to see. He's looking at me around that bush. He's like, I gotta get out of here.